Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to Sarojini Nagar to shop some winter collection, and once I come back I'll show you what all I got. Come, let's visit Sarojini Nagar with me. So this was this furry outside which had a lot of trendy skirts in just rupees 200. This is the same dress which is also available on Zara, and it was just around 1000 rupees in Sarojini Nagar. For long coat, you can obviously visit the main center of Sarojini Market. So as I told you, it's time for Sarojini Nagar haul. So starting with my favorite, the skirt. It is basically a check skirt and the quality is really premium. And guess what? How much did it cost me? Just 250. And it looks very nice, guys. You can pair this skirt with any of your plain black sweater or your skiwi with a scarf. It would look really nice. The next one is a high neck top sweater. This is very plain and basic. You can basically wear this in your college, so like everyday wear. And guess what, it just cost me around 100 rupees. The quality of this sweater is really nice. The third one is basically a black top. I just bought this one because I really like the sleeve texture, and it was really nice in the budget as well, just for 100 rupees. It has a zip at the back. Also, a pro tip, whenever you guys are buying from Sarojini Nagar, प्लीज़ चेक कि उसमें कोई भी होल नहीं है, कोई धागा वगैरह नहीं निकल रहा और समथिंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज घर आके अगर आपको पता चला तो इट कैन नॉट गेट रिटर्न. So yes, please mind this, guys. This is very important. Also, this top is like quite transparent, so you will have to wear something inside black and then it would look really great. Then I got this kaftan kurti which is very trending right now on Instagram. And guess what? Just for rupees 250. It says that it is from the brand Mango. And the quality is nice but not that great. Obviously ये मैंगो की तो नहीं होगी, but it has written on it. But 250 में it's not that bad, and ये trending भी है, so obviously. And इसका color is also very nice. It's like totally peach pink type. So yes. Next up is this shell necklace. You can wear it like this. It has all shells on it, and this would look very nice for any of your beach Goa vacation. And this is actually very trending right now, like very much. And you'll see my Instagram is totally filled with these shell necklaces, and it is just for rupees 150. Now coming to my most favorite part, it's time for cardigan, coats, jacket. So this is the beige cardigan, and trust me, iski quality fabric is awesome. And it is just for rupees 250. It has these buttons here, and then it is like this. I'll be attaching my video wearing this one so that you can get a better idea ki kaisa lagega. This is a pink coat which is very trending right now. Like, I have got all the stuff that is very aesthetic trending right now on Instagram and Pinterest. So yes, the color of this is also very nice. Just look at this. The fabric is also amazing. The sleeves and everything is just wow. I think I got this one for 300. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, or 250. No, I guess 350. 300 or 350 only. So yes. Coming to my most favorite one, this black jacket. This is the puffer black jacket which is very trending right now. You'll see it in all the brands, Zara, H&M. It is available everywhere. The fabric is nice. The quality is nice. This is totally in puffer texture and I love it. And this one is quite high according to the price जो भी सरोजनी में मिलता है. So I got this one for 500 rupees, but it's okay. ये इससे कम में कहीं भी नहीं मिल रही थी. Then we have this one. This is very heavy and the quality is also very nice. This is basically a jacket only. Yeah, and the fabric is nice. It is totally made of wool, and yes, this one costed me 400, but like quality के हिसाब से fabric के हिसाब से ठीक है, it's worth the price. And yes, it is very in right now also. Now you guys need to appreciate me. I'm going to show you the masterpiece and I'm proud of myself कि मेरे को ये सरोजनी में कैसे मिल गई है. So basically इसका इंटरनेट में प्राइस is 2500 or 3000 and I just got this one in rupees 300. So slow clap for me. So are you guys ready for this dress? I am sure you are not. But this one, love it guys, love it. Now it's time for the reveal. Oh my god, the prettiest frill dress. It is backless, obviously. You'll not be able to see in this video, but I'll be attaching my video wearing this dress and you'll see guys. You'll also be in love with it. And yes. So this was it for my Sarojini Nagar winter collection haul and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching and do let me know in the comment section if you need more such hauls of Myntra, Meesho, Sarojini Nagar or any other different platform or place. So I'll definitely going to make it for you. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do like, share, subscribe and comment for more such videos. Also, I'll be doing a challenge with my friends and yes, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, bye bye.